Hey guys, what's up? My name is Anukriti Lamania and welcome back to my channel. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell for every new video update. So today's video is all about how to do facial at home, guys. And I'm going to show you guys all the steps and how you can very easily do your facial at home. This is just kind of a pampering routine you can follow every month. But before we get into the video, guys, I really wanted to tell you guys that I've never done facial before. This is my first time. So I'm really excited for today's video. So for today's video, I'm going to be using the Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals Oxyblast Oxygen Energizing Facial Kit. So this facial kit is an oxygen facial kit for the skin that replenishes lost oxygen in the skin. This facial kit delivers oxygen deep into the skin, leading to increased luminosity and enhanced radiance. On the website, it claims that it boosts oxygen into your skin and scientifically formulated to provide your skin with a direct blast of oxygen. It also says that it contains antioxidant rich ingredients, and these ingredients help protect you from skin aggressors like pollution, UV damage and oxidation. Fruit enzymes in this formula exfoliate dead cells. Vitamin E hydrates and nourishes the skin, and aloe vera powder is the best to soothe any skin inflammation. So Oxyblast is a 7-step insulofacial that is now adapted in a DIY facial kit. So you guys can enjoy a professional-like facial while staying indoors. So this is a really good kit, guys. This cost only rupees 300. I mean, the whole facial kit in just rupees 300. This is wow. And especially in this wedding season, this kit is must have in your skincare routine for that instant glow and radiance. So this kit contains 7 steps, and it is very easy to follow all these 7 steps because all the steps are mentioned on this sachet. So I find it very useful and easy to use. So without further ado, let's quickly jump into the video and I will take you guys through all the steps.
So the first step in a facial is cleansing. For that, I'm going to apply Cheryl's Oxyblast cleansing gel on my face, and then I'm going to massage gently in circular movement for 3 minutes. And if required, you guys can moisten hands with little water to smooth massage movements. And then I'm going to wipe off with damp cotton. So this pH balanced gel cleanses the skin and prepares it for exfoliation, and it has active ingredients which is citrus lemon fruit extract, which gives you that bright and glowing skin. The second step is to use Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals Oxyblast Deep Peel. I'm going to apply it on my face and massage with circular movement for 2 minutes with steam, and then for another 3 minutes without steam. Then moisten hands with little water for smooth massage movements and wipe the face clean with moist cotton. This deep peel helps exfoliate dead skin cells and regenerates skin, and its active ingredient is papain. Third step is to use Oxyblast Skin Oxygenator. Pour the entire content of pack on cotton and apply all over your face. Used after cleansing, this lotion revives skin, making it look fresh. Its active ingredients are zinc PCA and cucumber extract. Now the fourth step is Oxyblast Regenerating Serum. Apply entire content of sachet all over face and neck. Massage gently and leave on. The serum has actives that soothe, moisturize and help in skin forming. The active ingredients are bisabolol and olive leaf extract. Fifth step is apply Oxyblast Deep Penetrating Mask over the serum. Now I'm going to steam skin for 3 to 5 minutes. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes without steam and wipe off with damp cotton. The active ingredients in this cream based mask is vitamin E, and this mask improves the skin tone while nourishes the skin. Sixth step is to apply Cheryl's Oxyblast Energizing Cream on the face and gently massage into skin with light upward strokes. Dip hands in water to facilitate the facial massage. Keep massaging the cream all over your face until it gets fully absorbed into the skin. The active ingredient in this cream is arbutin, and this cream energizes and nourishes skin, making it lighter and radiant. Now the last and seventh step is to apply Cheryl's Oxyblast Radiance Mask. Apply it all over your face and neck with a Cheryl's mask brush. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Then wipe it off with the help of a face towel. Its active ingredients are aloe vera, Canadian willow herb. This mask tightens and brightens the skin instantly. So you guys can definitely see a huge difference to my skin. My skin is looking more fresh and hydrated. And this Cheryl Cosmeceuticals Oxyblast facial kit definitely transformed my dull and tired skin to radiant and glowing skin. And here you guys can definitely see a huge difference in this before and after picture, how my skin is looking more glowing and radiant.
And this Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals Oxyblast facial kit is totally gonna be part of my monthly regime. And you can easily do your facial at home every month. So guys, this Oxyblast facial kit has become my go-to instant glow kit, and I will definitely recommend you guys to go for this kit. It is such an affordable facial kit. And if you guys want to go for this facial kit, I've mentioned the link of this product in my description box below, so please go ahead and check that out. So that's it for today guys. I hope today's video will be so much useful to you all. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram as well. Again, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah guys, I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.